Good morning. Are you guys ready to do a little bit more rounding? This time it's called estimating sums. Estimate is just a fancy word for rounding, and sum means that we are adding. Now it says here in the directions, use rounding or compatible numbers to estimate the sum. What I would like you to do for this is just round. We're not going to do compatible numbers. So when we round to the nearest 10 or the nearest 100. So let's go ahead and get started on number 1. And if you see here, they used compatible numbers. So I would like you to round it instead. So 171 rounded to the nearest 10 is going to be 170. And 727 rounded to the nearest 10 is going to be 730. And when you add those together, you are going to get 900. Now we are just adding our rounded numbers. If you look over here, it's not asking you to give us the answer. Okay, I want you to round each of the 3-digit numbers and then add them together. So let's go on and go to number 2, which is 87 and 34. And these ones we are going to round to the nearest 10. So 87 rounded to the nearest 10, when we look at that 7, it means we go up. So that's going to be 90. And then 34, I'm going to look at that 4, and that means we go down. That means it's going to be 90 plus 30. And 90 plus 30 is 120. Do you see how I'm only doing the right side of the problems? That's what we're doing right now. And when you go to the bottom, number 7 and number 8, they're just put a different way. So if you don't want to add them horizontally, you can go ahead and put them vertically and stack them. So let's look at the problem solving we have for today. I'm going to read it out loud, and remember, we always underline what it's asking us to do and circle the important information, okay? Stephanie read 72 pages on Sunday and 83 pages on Monday. About how many pages did Stephanie read during the 2 days? So now we're going to go in and we're going to underline what it's asking us. About how many pages did Stephanie read in 2 days? And I'm going to have you circle the word about, because whenever we see the word about, it means they don't want an exact number. They want you to round, okay? So we have 72 and 83. So we're going to round 72 and 83. So 72, we're going to round it, and it has a 2 in the ones place. So do we go up or do we go down? We go down. So we're going to round that to 70. And then 83 has a 3 in the ones place. So are we going to go up or are we going to go down? We are going to go down, and that'll be 70 plus 80. You guys do it in your head. Try your best. What's 7 plus 8? It's going to be 150. So you guys can do number 10 on your own. And I would like you to do number 11 today, because I want you to be able to explain how to round, okay? So let's go ahead and look at our other page. And this one's the lesson check. So it's the same thing we were just doing. And then you have to do some review work. You guys are going to do great. And if you have any trouble, I put up that Khan Academy video again on how to estimate. Okay? So you guys are awesome. Love you. Miss you.